We're gonna do a gardening project. We're gonna do it in about 2 hours. We want to use this video to really show that it doesn't take too much time to really transform your garden, make your house look beautiful. Let's get to it. We'll see you there. We're redistributing the dirt around the flower bed so that we can have a level ground for the new plants that we're going to be planting here. We're doing a little bit of edging to clean up these beds a bit, and the tool we're using is a Foxgreen pendant tool, our easy edger. If you guys love the way that we're edging and you would like to try it out yourselves, the link to order your very own is in the description box below. We would love for you guys to give it a try for yourselves. Look what we found. We found a little friend hiding out in one of these flower beds. He's hiding in his shell. Got a little bit of dirt on his face, but he's doing well. There's some body of water in the backyard, so we'll try to put him there. Return him with his family. We have our blank canvas to work with now. We've emptied out the flower bed. The first step, removing what was here before. And we're excited to add our little flavor, put our little touch onto it. We're on our way to go get the gravel. The project's gonna be gravel, mulch, and flowers, plants on the bed. So I'll see you guys at the gravel yard. We're entering the gravel yard. Let's see what we can get, what we can find. Well, we already know what we're gonna get actually. Here is the material we're gonna be using, bluestone screenings. Now you need chips. Oh, never mind, sorry. I guess we just got it wrong. It's chips. We're at the wrong spot. Oh, here it is. Bluestone chips. Here we go. We got the bluestone chips right there. We got our bluestone chips. It's gonna look really beautiful on the lawn. Alright guys, there it is. He's getting our bluestone chips. Alright, we picked up all our materials, so we're heading back to the property. See you there. Now we're laying out this material onto the flower bed because here we're going to place the gravel. We lay this out so that the gravel doesn't mix in with the dirt underneath, and later down the road the weeds won't start poking out of the gravel and make it look unkept. Really in the middle of the work right now. Prep the ground so that we can put the gravel, put some mulch, and start putting our plants. Here is our selection of flowers. So we're gonna plant these onto the flower bed. Just laying down some material on top. That's our segment that we're cutting it off. We're making progress. Here's our layout. Equal spacing between all the plants. Quick thing, what we're doing is, since we're setting the lining, this bed right here, we use these metal, I guess you would consider them kind of like staples. We set them in between each lining cover so that they stay set on the ground and they won't move. We have them pretty much all over this lining so that they stay in place. Right now we have the lining pretty much set on the flower beds. We're perforating the lining so that we can plant the plant, figuring out the spacing. We're measuring things out, seeing how we're gonna have the layout of the beds. Here's a little quick example of what we're doing. We have the lining. We make slight perforations into the lining so that we can plant the plants while having the lining surrounding the area, so we can put our gravel around these plants. That plant has yet to be planted, quite a few others, but we're getting there little by little. We're getting ready to add the bluestone chips onto the flower beds. Let's begin the transformation. The bluestone chips, we're prepping them, putting them in our buckets.
Ando yo para las orillas, ya me va echando después. Como la mitad aquí, la mitad.
That's gonna be it for the day. A quick 2-hour job. Thank you so much for watching. We're really glad that you guys stayed through watching the video. If you guys can subscribe, leave a like, drop a comment on any future projects that anybody out there is planning on doing. We would love to hear it. We're gonna close out this video with a little walkthrough of the property now that we're done. Thank you for watching.